Hello, I am back. Here is the motor I will be using for my homemade air raid siren. Now then, I did say I was gonna turn it on for you, and so here it is. The fan is on the bottom, so it's not gonna be as. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it on its side, and I'm gonna plug it in again. You can tell it's a lot louder than it is like that. So that's the motor I'll be using. Now my plan for this thing. Set that up. Now then I'm gonna place that right there. Now I'm gonna drill a hole or cut a big hole right there so I can just put that on right there. Now since the stator will not fit right there, I'll be using a AA battery. Place that right there. I'm gonna hot glue it and crazy glue it on, so it's like that. Then I'm gonna take that right there, and that'll be on just perfectly. I'm thinking about drilling a hole in there, so I can put a couple of CDs. I can put a couple of CDs to keep it stabilized. And so, there's my plan. More updates will be coming up very soon, since I know that the motor works and I couldn't do anything until then. But right now, what I'm working on is a knex Allertor. Here's the top part. There it is. And back to my air raid siren. This is going to be, I'm making it as a Thunderbolt right now, as you can see. I'll just raise that a little bit. There. This is the horn for my Thunderbolt projector horn. Now I did not cover that up right there yet, so I can place that right there and fix that up before I can add paper over it. And right there, I might have that lay on the motor. But yeah. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, alright?